Hey everybody, Yogi here. Currently door dashing in a crazy hailstorm. Listen to that, man. Holy crap. I can't really tell what the size of them are. Pea size, maybe a little bigger. But it's only 36 degrees out. So it's crazy. We got like thunderstorms and hail. And it's 36 degrees outside. Oh, did you see that lightning strike? That was cool. Yeah, this is wicked, man. Crazy. Look at this, man. It is just hailing out. That's not snow. That's hail. It is like coating the roads. Oh my gosh, look at that. Holy moly. This is crazy. I have never seen it hail like this for so long as it is now. I am like paused my dashing for right now because I am not going to be out in this. Heck no. And look at this guy. You would think it's snowing out, but it's not. It's hail. Wow. Yeah. We finally got a severe thunderstorm warning after the fact that it had hailed. I mean, that's all hail, folks. And it's still hailing. It looks like it snowed out, but that's hail. And it's continuing to hail. So I gotta ask, what the hell is going on around here? It's crazy. I've never seen this before. It's just crazy. It has never hailed like this for this long that I can remember in my lifetime. Honestly. It is just unbelievable. Look at all that hail I'm pushing inside of my car. Look at that. I think now it's more rain than hail. But holy cow, it was just hailing. Pouring hail before. I mean, I'm really hoping that they had the warning come through sooner and that Google was just late at putting it on my phone. But if that's like real time, that's terrible. Because this thing has already done some crazy, crazy stuff. We should have been warned on this storm a long time ago, before it even hit. I got like tons of hail coming off the roof of my car. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is just crazy. Yeah, again, folks, I cannot remember the last time this has ever happened. I can't remember a time that this has happened, where we got hit with so much hail for so long. Just crazy. But it's pretty much over now, the hail, I think. It's all rain now. But that was a big hail core, let me tell you. The hail wasn't very big. I mean, the biggest it got was probably dime size. But when it's coming down at, you know, I just made a delivery in this stuff, and when, sorry my voice is cracking, but, you know, when you're out in it, dimes hitting you on the head falling from the sky, millions of them at a time, woo, that hurt a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this video and show you the craziness that happened and upload it. I think the worst is over though. But man, that was wicked. The crazy hailstorm of April 19th. I don't think it's the 19th today. Gotta check here. Yeah. April 19th, 2023. Crazy hailstorm. Alright, that's going to do it for Yogi, the storm chaser. I'm a jack of all trades, folks. I do love storm chasing, though. I just never have time to do it. If I could, I would. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment on this crazy weather we're having here in West Bend. It has dropped to 33 degrees now. And it's still raining. Yeah, it's just weird. It's just weird. We're supposed to have a high tomorrow of almost 70. But today, it's been in the 30s, 40. But that's it. I'm going to shut her down. You folks take care of each other, be good to each other, be good to yourselves, and until the next episode, which will be a Florida episode, I'm Yogi, that was Lightning, and I am out of here.